One of the things I love about the Cuisinart Cook Fresh digital glass steamer is that there's no need to preheat. Now for this dish of mussels and tomato and chorizo, I can remove the reversible insert and I've got 5 liters of capacity. That means I can do more than a couple pounds of mussels and all of these fresh ingredients to make a delicious and healthy meal. The multifunctional 6 pre-programmed food settings include manual, seafood, poultry, grains, vegetable, and keep warm. For this dish, I'll set seafood, select the time, and press start. Can you imagine in just 10 minutes, mussels in your very own kitchen, all these incredible ingredients brought together? It smells incredible. This can go directly to the table, or I can plate it up with some nice crusty bread, pour that juice in the bottom, and it's perfect for mopping it up.